Did you know there is a Shiva temple where the very essence of water is worshipped as the Lord? Welcome to Jambukeshwara temple in Thiruvannaikaval in Tiruchirappalli, the Panchabhuta shrine that represents water or Appas or Neer. In this sacred space, Lord Shiva is worshipped as Jambukeshwara with his consort as Agilandeshwari. The temple is revered as an Appusthalam because the Appulingam in the sanctum is always moistened by a natural spring. Even when water is pumped out, the sanctum fills again, a wonder rooted in faith and nature. Legend says that goddess Parvati, to redeem her gesture of mocking Shiva's meditation, came to earth and chose the Jambu forest, Thiruvannaikaval. She used waters from the Kaveri river to form a Shivalingam under the sacred Jambu, Jamun tree. Lord Shiva appeared to her here, taught her sacred knowledge, and revealed himself. This is why the temple is also called Jambukeshwaram, Shiva under the Jambu tree. Beyond legend, this temple is ancient and richly inscribed. Many Chola-era inscriptions mark royal patronage across generations. The early builder is said to be King Kochingat Cholan. The temple has 5 prakaras or enclosures, and one of its unique architectural features is its small sanctum entrance, roughly 4 feet high by 2.5 feet wide, too small even for an elephant to pass. Devotees view the lingam through a stone screen with 9 holes, which symbolize the 9 openings in the human body that must be controlled in daily life. The inner sanctum's constant water presence is symbolic. It reminds devotees of purity, flow, and the depth of the divine. The water element here isn't just symbolic, it is structural and experiential. For worship, the temple celebrates daily rituals, including the Ushakala Puja, Kalasandhi Uchikala, Sayaraksha, and Arthajama Pujas. Visitors typically have darshan during morning hours, around 5:30 am to 1 pm, and evening hours, 3 pm to 8:30 pm, though these can vary with festival schedules. For visitors, darshan is free and modest or traditional attire is encouraged. Photography is restricted, especially inside sanctum zones. Mobile phones and cameras may need to be deposited or kept outside per temple rules. Every drop of water in this temple tells a story of penance, of devotion, of cosmic symbolism. Jambukeshwara temple is more than a place of worship. It is a living symbol of Shiva as water, where devotees see the divine through the flow of nature. Have you visited here? Share your darshan experience or what you felt when you walked through those 9 holes. And be sure to like, share and subscribe for more temple stories.